In particle physics, weak isospin is a quantum number relating to the weak interaction, and parallels the idea of isospin under the strong interaction. Weak isospin is usually given the symbol T or I with the third component, written as Tz, T3, is or I3. Weak isospin is a component of the weak hypercharge, which unifies weak interactions with electromagnetic interactions. It can be understood as the eigenvalue of a charge operator. The weak isospin conservation law relates the conservation of T3. All weak interactions must preserve T3. It is also conserved by the other interactions and is therefore a conserved quantity in general. For this reason T3 is more important than T, and often the term weak isospin refers to the third component of weak isospin. Relation with chirality. Fermions with negative chirality have T equals 1/2 and can be grouped into doublets with T3 equals plus or minus 1/2 that behave the same way under the weak interaction. For example, up-type quarks have T3 equals plus 1/2 and always transform into down-type quarks, which have T3 equals minus 1/2, and vice versa. On the other hand, a quark never decays weakly into a quark of the same T3. Something similar happens with left-handed leptons, which exist as doublets containing a charged lepton with T3 equals minus 1/2 and a neutrino with T3 equals 1/2. Fermions with positive chirality have T equals 0 and form singlets that do not undergo weak interactions. Electric charge, Q, is related to weak isospin, T3, and weak hypercharge, YW, by weak isospin and the W bosons. The symmetry associated with spin is SU. This requires gauge bosons to transform between weak isospin charges. Bosons W+, W- and W0. This implies that W bosons have a T equals 1, with 3 different values of T3. W+ boson is emitted in transitions. W- boson is emitted in transitions. W0 boson would be emitted in reactions where T3 does not change. However, under electroweak unification, the W0 boson mixes with the weak hypercharge gauge boson B, resulting in the observed Z0 boson and the photon of quantum electrodynamics.